Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, let's see how to download WordPress with no content. This is important in a situation whereby your WordPress core files have been corrupted and you need to replace them with a fresh install of WordPress. So if this is a production website, you'll need to add the WordPress files without WP content. And you can download this as well. This is the one that is usually used to update WordPress in production. I already have the post here. And in this case, I just have this sample, and this will download the version for 6.31. If you want to download for a different version or for the latest WordPress version, depending on when you're watching this, you'll need to go to the WordPress releases page to see the current version or which version it is that you want to download. So if you come here, you're going to see that this is the latest. By the time you're watching this, it will probably be different. So copy that and replace that there. So here's an example. Let's say I want to download for a different version. So I'm going to copy the link from here. And I will put the link for this in the description. So if you want to download for a different version, here under WordPress releases, I can look for the different version. In this case, let's say I want to do it for WordPress 6.21. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to replace the version there. Paste. So this means that I'm going to download the WordPress without WP content for version 6.21. If I come here, I can paste and go to the link. And it's going to download WordPress 6.21, no content, zip format. Start download. All right, I can click on it, open it. You'll see the version is 6.21, no content.zip. And if we go into the WordPress folder, we are going to see that it is WP admin, WP includes, and it doesn't have WP content. So you can just copy this, upload them where you want to upload them. If you are replacing a WordPress version, you can replace WordPress like this.